Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've been on the hunt for an anti-aging serum that promises more than just surface-level results, you're in the right place today. We're taking a closer look at the Filorga Global Repair Intensive Anti-Aging Face Serum, a product designed to tackle wrinkles, firm the skin, and revive your complexion. Let's dive into what makes this serum stand out and see if it truly lives up to the claims. Filorga's Global Repair Serum brings together an impressive mix of active ingredients, including ceramides, omegas, and vitamins. These ingredients are well known in the skincare world for their ability to boost skin's vitality and address signs of aging. The formula is designed to hydrate, repair, and enhance the skin's elasticity, all while providing deep nourishment to tired and sagging skin. The addition of vitamin-infused components also helps rejuvenate the complexion, making it appear more even and refreshed. I've had the chance to test this serum over the past few weeks, and I want to share how it performed in real-life use. First off, the texture is smooth and lightweight, which makes it easy to apply in the morning or at night. It absorbs quickly, leaving no sticky residue, perfect for layering under your moisturizer or sunscreen. The scent is subtle, with an aloe fragrance that's calming and fresh, not overpowering, which I personally appreciate, especially when applying a product daily. Now let's talk about performance. In terms of hydration, Filorga's Global Repair Serum delivers. My skin felt soft and nourished after just a few applications. Over time, I noticed a slight improvement in skin firmness, and the appearance of fine lines seemed reduced. However, the effects weren't instant. The serum requires a little patience, but it's definitely worth sticking with. I particularly noticed the benefits around my jawline, where sagging is a concern, as my skin seemed to look tighter and more lifted. However, while I enjoyed the serum's feel and benefits, I did find that it may not be suitable for those with sensitive skin. During the first few days of use, I experienced mild redness around my cheeks, which did subside after a few applications. It seems that the potent combination of ingredients may not agree with all skin types, so it's worth patch testing first. When it comes to value for money, this serum falls on the higher end of the pricing spectrum. But given the concentrated formula and the high-quality ingredients, it feels justified. A little goes a long way, so even with daily use, you'll likely see this bottle last a while. If you're looking for a serum to target aging signs with potent active ingredients, this could be a solid investment. In comparison to similar products in the market, Filorga Global Repair holds its ground. Many anti-aging serums often rely on either hydration or wrinkle reduction, but this one combines both effectively, providing multifaceted benefits. Some competitors may offer more targeted solutions for specific concerns, like deep wrinkles or firming, but this serum offers an all-in-one solution that is hard to beat. The packaging is sleek and professional, with a pump dispenser that ensures you only use the right amount of product each time. The 1-ounce bottle is convenient for travel and easy storage, making it a good option for those who prefer to keep their skincare routine minimal but effective. So, does the Filorga Global Repair Intensive Anti-Aging Face Serum live up to its promises? In my opinion, it does. The blend of ceramides, omegas, and vitamins truly works to revitalize tired skin, reduce fine lines, and offer a firmer, more youthful complexion. It may take some time to see visible results, but the payoff is worth the patience. If you're someone looking for a well-rounded anti-aging serum with a high concentration of active ingredients, this could be a great fit for you. It's particularly beneficial for those with tired, sagging skin that needs a bit of a boost. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching. If you've tried this serum or have any other favorites, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. I'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.